Hello, student of class 10. Today we are going to study about human female reproductive system. Today we are going to study about human female reproductive system. In human female reproductive system, the primary organ is ovary. Ovary, fallopian tube, ovary, fallopian tube, vagina, uterus, vagina and uterus, uterus and vagina. The ovary, main female sex organ or primary organ of female reproductive system. Ovary produces ovum. Ovary produces ovum or egg or female gamete. Ovary produces ovum or egg or female gamete and also release a hormone progesterone and testosterone. First, testosterone and second, progesterone. Means two types of hormones are secreted in female: testosterone, progesterone, not testosterone, but estrogen. Sorry, in female, estrogen. Two types of hormones: estrogen and progesterone. Testosterone is the hormone of male reproductive system or male organism of human being. यहाँ पे क्या है? Hormones कौन से secrete हो रहे हैं? Estrogen and progesterone. Estrogen is responsible for the secondary characteristic of female. With this hormone, estrogen is responsible for secondary female characteristic. With this, estrogen is responsible for secondary characteristic. Progesterone is secreted during pregnancy. That's why this hormone is also known as pregnancy hormone. P for progesterone, P for pregnancy. With these hormones only secreted when pregnancy occurs. With these hormones is secreted during pregnancy. That's why progesterone is also known as pregnancy hormone. Here ovary, pear-shaped. The shape of ovary is pear-shaped. Means a pair of ovary is present in a female reproductive system of human being, and this ovary is attached with the wall of the uterus and in this side wall of the abdominal cavity. Means this ovary is located on its position by attachment with the wall of uterus and in this side wall of abdominal cavity. Ovary produces ovum. Means ovum is formed in this. This is ovary and ovum is released inside the ovary, and the process of releasing of ovum, is termed as ovulation. Ovulation means the release of ovum. When PMDA means finger like projection, means this is a funnel shaped structure, right? And having finger like structure, and this structure is known as PMDA. PMDA collect ovum released by ovary and transfer it into fallopian tube. The first part, the funnel like structure, इसका नाम क्या है? Infundibulum. First part which is nearest to the ovary is termed as infundibulum. After that, the curved region is known as ampulla region and then isthmus region. And these three are the part of fallopian tube: infundibulum, ampulla, and isthmus. Here this is the uterus, and uterus is lined by three layers. Uterus is lined by three layers. Inner layer is termed as endometrium. Inner layer of uterus is termed as endometrium. Middle layer is termed as myometrium. M for middle, M for myometrium. Middle layer is termed as myometrium. End मतलब interior point means inner wall is known as endometrium and the outer wall is known as perimetrium. Means three layers are present in uterus: inner endometrium, middle myometrium, and outer perimetrium. Endometrium is highly vascular, means many vascular or capillaries are present in this region. Vascular and highly vascular means blood vessels are more in this region. That region is endometrium or inner wall of uterus. This is cervix, means opening in between uterus and vagina. Cervix is the opening in between uterus and vagina. Vagina is also termed as birth canal. Vagina is also termed as birth canal, and vagina is the external genitalia of female reproductive system. Means vagina is the external genitalia. Genitalia means through which during copulation penis comes inside the vagina and release sperm in vagina, and that sperm passes through cervical canal and cervix and reaches up to this portion. Means the junction of ampulla and isthmus. Means sperm reaches to the junction, means sperm here reaches. This is ovum and this is sperm. Sperm reaches to this junction, means ampulla isthmus junction, and fertilization takes place in this junction. जो fertilization होता कहाँ पे होता है? this junction, ampular and isthmus junction के बीच में ही fertilization होता है. Normally question पूछा जाता है कि where fertilization takes place in human reproductive system, human female reproductive system, तो आप आंसर में सिंपल दे देंगे क्या? fallopian canal. fallopian canal. और जनरल अगर टिपिकल पॉइंट हम पूछ रहे हैं कहाँ पे हो रहा है? at the junction of ampular and isthmic part. Isthmic और ampular जहाँ पे ज्वाइन हो रहे हैं उस जगह पे होता है. और जनरली जब क्वेश्चन पूछा जाए where fertilization takes place in female and human female reproductive system, तो हम क्या बोलेंगे? fallopian canal. ठीक है? मीन्स आपको क्या याद रखना है? human female reproductive system है a pair of ovary, a pair of fallopian tube, uterus and vagina. In class 10 we have to learn these four terms only: ovary, fallopian tube, uterus and vagina. Ovary is the main organ of female reproductive system which produces hormone as well as egg. Hormones as well as egg or ovum. Fertilization takes place in fallopian tube, then प्लांटेशन, जो ट्रांसप्लांट इम्प्लांटेशन, जो इम्प्लांटेशन होता है किसका, जायगोट का, जायगोट आफ्टर फर्टिलाइजेशन जायगोट फॉर्म एंड द इम्प्लांटेशन ऑफ जायगोट टेक्स प्लेस इन एंडोमेट्रियम। ठीक, नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम देखेंगे इसके बाद क्या होता है। मींस इसमें बस आप ध्यान करना, ओवरी, फिंगर लाइक प्रोजेक्शन इन टर्म्स, फिम्ब्रिए, funnel like structure, infundibulum, then ampulla and isthmus. Fertilization takes place in between the junction of isthmus and ampulla and then reaches to the endometrium for implantation. Thanks for today.